Proper water distribution is vital for system performance. Cool evaporative media supports air velocities up to 700 feet per minute without carryover. If exceeded, a drift eliminator cassette captures any potential for expelled water droplets up to 800 feet per minute. Let's look inside and see the proper configuration for effective water distribution. At the top of the unit is the water inlet pipe, umbrella bonnet, header, umbrella spray bar pipe, and distribution media. The header assembly should be positioned at the center of the distribution media with the umbrella bonnet touching the media itself. The umbrella spray bar pipe has 3/16-inch holes that are 2 inches apart from one another. This is where water exits, and these holes are positioned upwards at exactly 90 degrees to ensure proper water flow and even umbrella distribution. The umbrella bonnet design supplies even water dispersion to the distribution media, while the header ensures the airflow and water only pass through the media. This prevents airflow and water from escaping into the system or unit. The water enters the distribution media where it expands and distributes the water evenly. The water enters the media and flows downward at a 45-degree angle to the air entering edge as airflow passes through the evenly saturated media at a 15-degree angle. The entering air undergoes a temperature drop through the process of evaporation, thus providing cooling to the space. For more information, visit thecooleffect.com.